You better get your PNARs out because it's time for the PNAR News!
Welcome to the news. Today, the PNAR snipping PNAR snipper of many unfortunate PNAR snipper victims, was captured by the PNAR snipping PNAR snipper. That means all you PNAR having peoples, don't worry, you can pull out your PNAR safely without getting it snipped. Okay. He escaped.
What is that? What is that? Did you do that? What is that? Why are you just looking at me like that?
I'm not gonna call him Dad.
Brennan, you're 39 years old. I would not expect you to call him Dad.
Well,
dude, Kevin, when did you get a mohawk? You look sick. Kevin with the mohawk? Let me get it from the side. Kevin. Oh my gosh, Kevin, you're looking fresh, man.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's too.
Worked too many times. I don't know what to believe.
No.
What are you doing?
There he is.
Crow wants to be a stinker.
Look at my son. Pride is not the word I'm looking for.
Watch Albert play football for 30 seconds.
I gotta put cheese on my cheeseburger. Shut your bitch ass. Someone come here and shoot. Cheese on my cheeseburger.
Sigue el ritmo. Tira, dice, tira.
Come here. Come here. You almost did. Oh my god. One more step. You got it. Whee!
It's been worked too many times. I don't know what to believe.
Just me, to the ground from under my feet. Can't break me, I fight back harder. This is the sound.
Oh my god. Life is never a dull moment when you have a cat. Gerald, what have you done? Is that an earthworm? No, god dang it. Gerald, come here! Gerald!
Are you two completely insane?
This greed sickens me.
Give it to me. Nemo. Give it to me. Nemo. Give it. Nemo. Give it.
Then I know you see me watching. Then I know you see me watching love.
Пожалуйста, дай! Пожалуйста!
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy. Damn.
Stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no. Stop being ratchet. Get off me. We're done. We are over. Go.
you.